In this demonstration, we'll review the Flexera One SKU Browser. The SKU Browser displays any software SKU which is recognized by the IT Asset Management SKU Library. A maximum of 100 SKU records are displayed in the grid. The SKU library role must be assigned to users in order to view the SKU information. 3 privileges are available in the drop-down: read-only, none, and custom. By default, users with administrator rights are given the read-only privilege. Users, including administrators, cannot create, delete, or modify SKU records. The SKU information is read-only. Filtering will be required to narrow down the results to 100 records. Suggested filtering on publisher, product, description, and purchase type usually will get you to an answer set smaller than 100 records. Let's look at this in Flexera One. From our procurement menu, you can see here at the bottom that we have a SKU browser. And this will pull up our SKU browser view, and you will have your search and filter capabilities that you've had in all of the other views throughout the system. I'm going to expand my filters, and we are going to search on publisher Microsoft. Well, you can see that we have probably more than 100 records for just Microsoft in our SKU library. So I'm going to narrow this down to product. And so I'm going to put my product is SQL Server. And it does appear that we are still over 100 record results. So I'm going to move on to my description and search for the standard edition of SQL Server and version being 2020. As you can see, this gets me under the 100 record threshold, and so I should be able to select my SKU from here. A couple of things to point out is that you can see, make sure you're selecting the correct product metric, license type, and purchase program. Also very important is the purchase type. As you can see here, we have 3 SKUs for this product. One is a maintenance SKU, one is an upgrade SKU, and one is a full version. This concludes our SKU browser demonstration.